Hello everyone and welcome to my KT Universe channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the process of downloading and installing the latest version of WinRAR on a Windows 10 system. So, let's get started. Open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other. I'll be using Chrome as my default browser. Go ahead and launch your browser and in the search bar, type WinRAR download and press enter. The first search result should be from the official WinRAR website. Click on this link to access the download page. On the WinRAR download page, you will find a direct link to the latest version, which is WinRAR 6.24 for 64-bit systems. If you have a 32-bit system, below look for the click here option. You'll also find various customization options. In the platform drop-down, you can see all the available operating systems, including macOS, Linux, and more. For this tutorial, we are using Windows. You'll see options for both 64-bit and 32-bit versions. Choose the one that matches your system and click on it. After clicking the download link, you'll notice the file download starting in the top right corner of your browser. Click on the download icon to open the downloaded file. Below, you'll find step-by-step instructions for the installation process. Follow these instructions carefully. Open the downloaded file and WinRAR will begin the installation process. You'll soon see a pop-up window prompting you to click the install button. Go ahead and click install. You can also select any required parameters during this step. Once you are ready, click OK. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a thanks for using WinRAR message. Click the Done button to finish the installation. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the latest version of WinRAR on your system. You can also find a shortcut to WinRAR on your desktop. To confirm the installation, click the Start button in Windows and search for WinRAR. You should see it in your system. The same process applies if you are using Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing to our channel for more web development content. We appreciate your support. That wraps up today's video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next one.